Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? I think that all of you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I have come in front of you taking another video in my YouTube channel, and you are noticing a question which is from the chapter 2, motion, and I'm going to read out that question. A good pace bowler of cricket can throw a ball with a velocity of 150 km per hour. If he throws the ball vertically upwards, how high will it go? We'll have to solve this question. Now I'm going to write the solution. If you want to solve this question, then you need to know the formula. You know, there are 4 formulas related to the motion. So you have to know this, otherwise it is not possible and it will be hard for solving out this mathematical problem. Okay, we know there is a law or formula v squared equal to u squared minus 2gh. V squared equals u squared minus 2gs. You can ask me why this minus is replaced. So I'm just discussing this topic. You are throwing the ball vertically upwards, and if you throw an object vertically upwards, along upwards, then you will have to place a minus in lieu of plus. That is why v square equal to u square minus 2gs. I think that you have got it. Okay, we need the quantity of height. What is the value of height? So, if we convert this formula and if we want to express this equation in a single formula, then we'll have to convert it or we'll have to replace it. We will make this 2gh h into h. We'll have to find out the solve of h. So h equal to u square minus v square by 2g. H equal to, now I'm going to write down all the data. U equal to 150 km per hour. You will have to remember that it is not meter second inverse, it is only kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour inverse. So we'll have to convert it. If we convert this, then we will get 150 into 1000, 60 into 60. We know 60 minutes make an hour, 60 minutes make an hour, and 60 seconds make a minute. So we can count down these zeros, then we will get 36 and 1500. If we calculate them, then we will get 41.667. You can also write 41.67 also. Then it will be meter second inverse 1. Okay. Now we know v will be 0. In case of throwing any object to upwards towards along upwards, then you will have to keep in mind that u will remain but v will be 0. Initial velocity will have a value, will obviously have a value, but v will be only 0. And you know the value or magnitude of z is 9.8 meter second inverse 2 meter second inverse 1. And we'll have to place those values in the formula, then we will get our required or desired value. Square minus 0 square 2 into 9.8. This is the equation that now I'm going to $17,036.38, and here we will get 96.2 sorry, 19.6, will get 88.59. And this is the answer. I mean, how high will it go? It will go 88.59 meters. I think that you have got the answer and you have got this mathematical problem very easily. First of all, you have to keep in mind that you have to understand the question and you have to arrange it and you have to convert your formula in your privilege, I mean in your convenience. Otherwise, you will fall you will fall into a trap and you won't be able to solve this question. So, first of all, read out all the question paper twice, thrice, and frequently as soon as possible. And till you do not understand. Thank you for staying with me. Assalamu alaikum.